Hello, this is Dawn with Create to 8 and Create with Confidence. And I made this journal when I was doing the Mass March Make 2026 with the design team from Scrapbooking with Me. And I wanted to show you how the final altered book project with the Timeless and Teal digital kit ended up looking. So let's do a little reveal on it. Just open it up. This is actually a pocket right here, but I don't have anything in it. So open it up. And we've got envelope, and see what I've got in here. Okay, I've just got a little writing spot in there. And then I've got a tag and some writing paper there. And I actually made these a little bit too tight. A writing spot here. Okay, a little side tuck here with the tag. It's pretty. There, little dangle. And a writing spot. Here's another tag. The writing spot. This is a pocket here, double pocket, and the small envelope that just has a little tag in it. Okay, and this is a tag with some tags in it. I love that lace. Got that off Marketplace, believe it or not, in that. Okay, a little pocket here. Another little envelope. I won't open that up. Got a double pocket here with some tags in them. Okay, and I just made these little charms. Just added some dimensional glue there, the diamond glaze. See a little belly band with the tag, with the pocket. See, this was a snippet, and I've got a tag. Another little dangle that's just got a little area to write on. Put it back in there. Life's hard when you don't have fingernails. Okay, and I just made these little flowers here out of a scallop punch. Okay, two more pockets. So it's a pocket here and a pocket here with tags in them. A little Dutch door. And this was something I had done on the Mass March Make, was a loaded pocket. I don't have this one loaded. You can see I've got a pocket there, pocket there, pocket there, pocket there. So I'll just put that back in there. And clip that back on here. and writing space, and then I've got some pockets here. So little double pockets. Some writing space and writing space. Another belly band with a tag. And another little like Dutch door. And this is another belly band that I made from one of the snippets that I did during the Mass Make March. And pocket with a little tab, index tab type thing. Okay, this was one of the items that was in there, and I just added some lace to it. And the labels were not in the kit, so they were from some different thing. Added some tags. I think those labels were Tracy Fox, but the rest of the kit was design kit. This was a flower that I just cut out a circle and just kind of cut the leaves from, shredded them. And this is one of this is one of my little brads that I make. One of my bling brads. Another double pocket here with some tags in it. Okay, and then these two little pockets here. And she had these cute little index cards for us. So just put that back in there. That could be a secret writing space. Okay, and a writing space there. Let's see. Oh, got a belly band there. I don't have anything tucked in. And the writing space there. Here's a little tuck, a little pocket with the label tucked in it. Another little side tuck. Another double pocket. Okay, and this was a triple pocket, so I've got one of the little index envelope folder, whatever you call it, that she had done. And let's see, a tag. And this is one of the large envelopes that she had. And I just made a dangle, and I've got a tag in it, a large tag. Let's throw those back. And this is a chunky monkey, as you saw when I first opened it up. Some writing space, a little tag there. Another pocket here with another one of these cute little folding cards and some tags in it, index tags. This is a pocket. I don't think I've got anything in that one. Yeah, don't have anything in that pocket. Writing space and writing space. Writing space here. And writing space in the pocket. Another folder. Folder here, the pocket and writing space. This folds out. If you want to write on it, you can just fold it out to write on it. Fold it back in, write on it there. Okay, another pocket with a small envelope that has a writing area in it. Two more of these double pockets. here. And I'm going to move that up there. Another one of the fold out writing areas. You can write and write. Another pocket here. And this is just this was actually from a different kit, Secret Entrances, and I just added it because I wanted a pretty little door in there. You can do some writing in there, secret writing, and a window. And then I've got a pocket here with a big writing space area. Small little pocket there with a little tuck. Some writing space there. Another little pocket. Okay, here's another one of these pocket inserts that I did during mass mark make, but I don't have stuff attached, stuff stuck in it, simply because it was already getting so full I could hardly close it. Okay, let's move that up some. Okay, and we've got another pocket with one of the little folders or envelopes here is in there, and a writing space, and a large writing space on the back, another writing space, and then finally the back page, which has double pockets like the front page did, and extra piece of paper that was for that I just put in there for writing, and a tag. So that is it. That is the Chunky Monkey journal. And then I used upholstery fabric to close it, to cover it, and just sewed around it, and the upholstery fabric here, and then I added this piece of paper ephemera on it, and I have this beautiful lace that I added on and some flowers, and I made these little enamel dots here to go with it. So that was Timeless and Teal digital kit and the altered book that I made when I was making the Mass Make March for 2026 with Scrapbooking with Me. So I hope you enjoyed that reveal, and I will see you later. Bye.